Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and into 3D printing, photography, tech, drones and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. New entry in the house this year is Evie, my female, my love. She's a Siberian cat, 4 months old, and as you all know, I love technology, and the video I'm bringing you today is about, whoa, that was a long jump. It's about automatic cat litter from Popur, and I've been reviewing it for the last 2 weeks. Let's roll the intro, some unboxing, and let's get back to it. You've seen the unboxing and my cat getting used to it. She was really curious. Evie was all around when I was preparing and setting this cat litter. It's our first automatic cat litter. I don't exclude that in the future I will be testing other brands if they get in contact with me and if they would like an honest opinion. Popur sent me this cat litter for free. But at the same time, I have freedom of speech. I can say what I loved and what I didn't like about this cat litter. Experience was, from start, it was amazing. I was putting it together, my cat was already curious, so nothing scared her at all. Probably she got scared the first time I activated the cleaning system, so I was like trying to understand how it was working. But after that, I just moved my cat, like the sand I was using with my cat, to this litter, and she understood straight away that that was her potty, and she got inside, started playing with it, brought some sand outside, but that's something the kittens always do. But let's say within a couple of hours the cat got used to it, and she started using it. As I said, easy setup. It comes with an app that sends you a notification every time your cat drops, some stuff, and you get a notification. I've been getting notification at work knowing how many times this little girl went to the toilet. That's a useful function. What else can you do with the application? You can also program the layout, like the delay between the cat leaving the litter and the cleaning system. You can put it like to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, whatever you prefer. You can organize cycles in the day cleaning. It's a regular app that gives you plenty of functionality. Connecting it to the Wi-Fi was extremely fast. Downloaded from the QR code on the instruction manual, which was basically very easy. Just connect by USB the plastic box. Something I wanted to add, usually in the custom configuration you get a card box as like where all the waste goes. I got the plastic one, and my suggestion is always go for the plastic one because it seals it better. I had it in the living room for the last 10 days, never felt any smell, and she's using it a lot. She's small, but if you're a pet owner, you know that kittens go to the toilet more often than adults, so she was using it a lot. I changed the plastic bag today just to shoot the video with the blue poo for an example, to let you understand how it works. And after 10 days, it was not even 1/4 full, because the system, the filtering system, is cleaning away only the hardened parts. So the better your sand is, like the less you will waste. I mean, basically when I cleaned it and scooped it, there was only hard material, no sand at all. Because like my sand is like, I like it. I mean, that's why we use it, because it does a good job. So that reflects also on how many times you have to add litter in your automatic litter box. Something I would like to mention is the cat sensor that's embedded in the cat litter. It basically activates whenever the cat is inside the litter, or even if you put a hand, you will get a cat icon, as you can see right now. And that means you can reset it. It will reset and you will wait 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, whatever you have set on the app. Popur started with a Kickstarter campaign that was originally backed up by 50,000 people all around the world. It had a great success and they started producing it in 2021, and up to today has made a lot of customers happy. I've read reviews online. I was in contact with the company, and my honest opinion is that it's a product that you put there, it's hassle-free, you forget about your kitten. I had to remember to have a camera around my lounge, so whenever Evie went to used it, like I had to shoot her, because you really forget it. And my daughter was in charge of cleaning the litter, because we had an original, like a normal litter, just like a bucket with some sand. And my daughter had to go and scoop it. And she came to me yesterday and she said, this litter is working really good, because she's going and like opening the lid to see if all the poo was inside and nothing was left in the litter. And she was also happy because she's not doing it anymore. That was one of the conditions where we promised her a cat, so she had to take care of it. So less work for her, less work for us, and I mean odorless room. So wrapping up all my thoughts, is a great cat litter for the price. As I said, it stands at 40% minimum less than the price of the more like the bigger brands that hopefully I will have the privilege to test probably in the near future. But in the meantime, if you want to buy Popur cat litter, all the links will be down in the description for your reference. Again, last thing is don't get confused. Even though it looks small, I've seen customers using it with very, very big Maine Coon cats. And as of like their advertising, it says that it can host up to 12 cats, but of course you need to clean it more often. And I believe so, because it works perfectly. It does a very simple job of scooping it and keeping it clean and leveling. That's something I really liked. It levels your sand 3 times, so you don't have to, there's a bit of a steep layer inside, so the scoop like re-puts it back together, and that's something I really, really loved. So would I suggest it? I would definitely suggest it. I'm definitely using it, and it's freeing my time. I mean, and Evie can come and go whenever she wants, and I get notification if she goes or not, which is something great. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you did like the video. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.